Hey guys, is now really the best time to apply for citizenship if you're a green card holder? Things have changed, friends, and we're expecting a lot more changes to come in the days ahead. So in light of all of these changes that are upon us, is now really the best time to apply for citizenship? We're going to talk about that in this one. For those of you who are new to me, welcome to this channel. I'm Latoya McBean Pompey, an immigration lawyer in New York, working with clients nationwide at McBean Law, where we believe in freedom. Freedom now. Type that in below. Freedom now. Reach out to us at McBean Law Friend so that we can take a look at your immigration case and see how we might be able to assist you. Before you go today, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell so that you won't miss my next update. Now let's talk about whether now is really the best time to apply for U.S. citizenship. As you know, the Trump administration has already implemented policies that are sure to impact the naturalization process to make it more difficult for people to become citizens. The first major policy change that they've implemented is enhanced vetting and security measures. They have introduced this enhanced vetting procedures, guys, for individuals seeking visas, admission into the United States, or immigration benefits like U.S. citizenship. As a result, applicants may face rigorous background checks and lengthy processing times because this enhanced vetting process can be very slow. And then when you're doing this particular type of vetting on every application, it inevitably leads to such a slowdown in the system. So this increased scrutiny will lead to longer processing times and a higher likelihood of denials. Secondly, friends, for green card holders who are applying for citizenship, this is how it specifically will touch their application process. Firstly, they will most likely get a request for evidence asking them maybe about some trivial aspects about their travel history or their background, or they might even get a notice of intent to deny their naturalization case, again, for some trivial small matter. And thirdly, the denial rate is expected to increase. But for some others, if they don't get that request for evidence or a notice of intent to deny, the government can just flat out deny the case without really providing a very strong or valid reason for the denial. This additional scrutiny, friends, will make the naturalization process more challenging and time-consuming. Given these developments, it's really crucial for you to assess your individual situation. You should absolutely ensure that your legal history is clear, meaning that any past issues that you have are resolved and can be explained in writing, preferably submit in writing, include paperwork to back up the fact that you're finished with your child support payments, or you're caught up on your taxes, or you're on that payment plan. Have very good documentation to prove that those past problems or issues are over or they're being managed today. So be prepared to provide comprehensive and accurate documentation to support your application, because this enhanced vetting process will require more documentation. Now, what are the potential risks of waiting to apply for naturalization? Well, firstly, there could be changes in the eligibility requirements, right? We know that this Trump administration isn't playing around. They're not looking to create new citizens or more new citizens. Quite the opposite. And so future policies under this administration will inevitably make it harder or more difficult to become a citizen. Then you have longer wait times, processing times. The longer you wait to do this, the more likely you are to be caught up in the upcoming backlog. And thirdly, for some people, guys, this is rare. If you wait too long to become a U.S. citizen and God forbid, or you go out, I should say, and commit a very serious crime that could place you in removal proceedings, then you're facing a huge uphill battle to not only become a U.S. citizen, but to actually get to stay in the United States. Now let's talk about some of the benefits of applying for citizenship now. Number one, you'll be protected from the upcoming policy changes that will make it harder and longer to become a U.S. citizen. Number two, voting rights. You'll be able to vote in that next election, guys. That next federal election, you'll be able to cast your vote and feel vindicated to vote out potentially those who you do not like in office. Number three, you'll have the freedom to travel. You can travel and stay outside of the United States for as long as you'd like. Number four, you'll have more job opportunities. Certain government jobs and positions require security clearance, and those jobs are only available to U.S. citizens. To sum it all up, guys, now might very well be the best time for you to apply for citizenship. However, it is unique to your situation. If you have any concerns about applying for citizenship, reach out to us. We'd be happy to speak with you to see whether you should go for it now or whether you should just sit this one out. For some of you, you're going to have to sit this one out because you have something on the record that this new administration will not find favorable. And guys, now is the time to understand what all of these new changes in the laws are. So stick around, follow me for more. Follow me on social media, subscribe to this channel so that you could empower yourself and know how to make the right decisions for yourself and your family. Thanks so much for being with me in this one, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.